Hello, my name is Marita Cantwell, and I am a member of the University of California Postharvest Center. For over 20 years, I organized the annual 3-day Freshcut workshop held at UC Davis. This intensive workshop consisted of lectures, hands-on demonstrations, and discussions of many topics important for the quality and safety of fresh-cut fruits and vegetables. The strength of the workshop was the core of excellent instructors from both academia and industry who were committed to providing critical overviews of their subject area, including their most recent experiences and research. Here we present recordings free of charge from the 2019 workshop. Whether you are new to Freshcut or a veteran of the Freshcut industry, we think you will find the information and insights in these recordings useful. Thank you.